Wakey, wakey. Turkey slaying time. It's 3:30 in the morning. Well, 3:35. How about you sleep in?
5 minutes.
I'll let you sleep in a few minutes there. You ready?
Mm-mm.
All right. Well, good morning, guys. Saturday, April 17th, turkey opener here in Michigan. We're just pulling up to the spot. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. Had a little 45-minute drive. My dad's here. We got Peyton here. And if you guys have been following along the last few years, we're heading to the same public land spot we shot a few birds in the past. So I'm pretty excited to be out. We got Peyton's second turkey season, and we were close a couple times last year, and hopefully we got some birds out in front of us this morning so she can fill her first turkey tag. She'll be up to bat first. My dad, he didn't get one last year, and then I'll be up to bat. So we got 3 tags to fill. Hopefully we at least fill 1 or 2 this morning, and we're looking forward to it. You ready?
Yep.
Tired?
Yep.
Excited for pretty full week of turkey hunting, so we'll see what happens, guys. We're gonna get unloaded here, and we got about a 900-yard walk, and we'll set up. So we'll see you guys at light. Hopefully we got some birds talking. Usually a pretty good spot. So beautiful morning, 50 degrees by this afternoon. So we'll see you guys at light. What's up?
What's up?
Can't hardly see you there.
I know. Are you awake, Peyton?
Morning.
No, I'm going to bed.
Morning. Turkey hunting, dude. Come on.
Dookie.
All right, you ready? Think we're good.
Anytime.
All right, let's go. Take the lead.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like that?
Straighten it out. There you go. Turn a little bit sideways.
This way?
That's facing away from us. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Let's go. Grab another one.
Huh?
Grab another one. Okay. Put that one out. Right out there in that clump. Right here. Well, morning guys, it's 10 o'clock and it's been pretty quiet out here. We haven't seen any turkeys, saw a handful of deer. We heard a few as light was breaking this morning, kind of off in the distance, but since light, pretty much no action, not a single gobble. So pretty unusual for the spot. As you guys have seen the last few years, pretty successful hunts here. So pretty much a bummer really for the opener. So Peyton's got a soccer game across town here, so we're gonna be packing up here in the next few minutes and getting out of here to get to soccer, and then maybe going out this evening. We'll see what happens with that. So that's pretty much it for our update. Nothing exciting, so unfortunately we'll kind of keep you guys posted and see what happens maybe tonight and tomorrow. So hopefully we get a little bit more action. Okay. Signing out. All right, my little turkey slayers, are you ready? I see you. Oh yeah, you're looking tough. Ready? All right, let's go around here.
Like this way?
We'll work our way around, yep. You ready? You need to be set up. You need to be set up where you can shoot. Get in front of it. Alright guys, it's 4 o'clock. We're just getting out to a different public land spot. Just kind of randomly picked a spot on the map here along some power lines, some pretty decent looking terrain features, and we're about 500 yards in and we already got a bird gobbling right here. I hit the call. We got up to the top of this little point and pretty much right away one gobbled at us, so we quickly set up and we're kind of hanging tight. He hasn't gobbled since. We'll see what happens. Pretty sweet. All right, I'm gonna pull the hammer down.
Okay, this?
Yep, I'm gonna do that part. Get your hand up there. Hold the gun solid. Get it right on your shoulder, nice and tight. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So when I pull this hammer down, she's ready to go.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna aim. You're gonna make sure you're on that box.
Okay, my that back.
When you're on that box and you're ready to shoot, pull the trigger.
Oh my goodness, that scared me.
How was it? Let's see if you hit it.